Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Got my anti-coronavirus stuff right here. Just chilling out, me in the garage with my bikes. Whatever, bring it on. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in. So this week's video is something a little different. Something I have not done in a long time. Something that some of you guys living down in the warmer parts of North America, like Texas, Carolina, those kind of places, you're not going to be able to do because you don't have the snow. So, it's not cars, it's not bikes, it's snowmobiles, guys. Snowmobiles. It's still cold enough in Canada here where the lakes are still completely frozen. So this video was taken last weekend. They do get up to some wicked speeds, and it feels, even though you might be doing 100 or 120, it feels like you're flying on the ice. Without further ado, guys, check out the videos, man. This is what we got to do in Canada to get our little taste of acceleration, especially in the winter months. I know what you're thinking, guys. Wow, are these guys nuts driving snowmobiles straight down on bare pavement roads? Let's get to the good part of the videos. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. So that's one way you can kind of beat the coronavirus. Just go out and have fun. Man, there ain't no polluted air out on Lake Simcoe. Come on. Anyways, this is another way to do it. Whatever guys, enjoy yourself. What do you think about that marina? So we pulled into the marina there. Like, that's usually the spot where everyone's loading their boats. It's mind-boggling how cold it must be to freeze the lake to that point. And also that brief little spot of the open water, you can hear the sled as it goes across the open water. The RPM's completely changed on the sled, and there was a little bit of, if you notice, if you want to rewind the video, I put a little bit of a hang time metric there that was pulled from my Garmin camera. It wasn't much. I should have just turned around and gone back and floored the thing and see how much we could actually get air-wise. A big shout out to Paul for letting me come up and ride his sleds. I haven't ridden the snowmobile in probably over 30 years. That's right, 30 years. So it was really fun for me to get out and do that. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the video. There's always more stuff coming. And do not forget to check out our sponsor, Carbon Class Motorsports. I'll put the description in the video below. Use the promo code, 10% off store-wide. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Peace out.